Super to me here, and today I have another episode. Well, it's gonna be a Ro-Ghoul this time. Now you may be wondering, well, why are you doing another episode of Ro-Ghoul? You already did that last time. Well, actually, now see for yourself. 5 and bam. So, just like that, we start off this episode. So as you can see, I have 5 million RC, and I just got this form. So I'm not really that good at using it, but I do know how to spam it. Oh, he's looking at me. He does not like me. So, today, I don't know if the spider wants to kill me or not. I am a relative, so killing a relative would be a dumb idea. Damn, that spider's slow though. This time we're actually gonna be protecting people. Yeah, I know, I sound crazy. We're actually gonna be protecting people. I didn't want to make another arcade episode because that's kind of overused, so I decided to just protect people. So, I'm gonna protect you. He's probably just gonna go in there because he doesn't trust me. Look, I will protect you. Spam T. Spam T. Okay, well, we failed to protect him, but I feel like we need to find someone who can actually, like, stand up for himself, so let's, pick this guy over here. Hello, man, I will protect you, even though you look like exactly like the guy that killed my friend. Hello, Lampera, I will protect you. I don't know, all the people just think I'm, like, hostile, hostility. Okay, I think I should first just help him get, smalls. There you go. I'll just punch him. Come on, go get him. Get him. Dude, eat your food before it expires. Go. Okay, I guess ghouls don't like to be disturbed while they eat, so I'll just go. Oh, come on, his meal expired. Oh, no, I'm not gonna literally partner up with a ghoul that does not know how to play. Okay, maybe you. Oh, no, it's the same one. Okay. It's time for you to not die, and it's time for you to not attack me, okay? There's your steam. Yeah, cocoon yourself in. Yep, that's just how long my durability is, boys. It's like 5 times greater than his is. Okay, lead the way, master. Oh god, I don't even have white hair. I'm a disgrace to my own existence. Oh my god, this is disgusting. Eat me. Oh, no, he just pecks at my body. How are you this bad? Okay, now I have to dash over to my friend before he dies. Oh god, this is just crazy. Okay, there he is. I will protect you all the way. Gracias. Oh god, no problem. He speaks Spanish? That's horrible. I don't want to talk with him. Do something. Dude, yes. Go walk around. Oh, come on. Ito Yoshimura's here. Well, I don't need you anymore. But he's not necessarily attacking, so I don't have to attack him. Oh my. What is even going on here? This spider's getting by Ito, dude. Oh, come on. Don't tell me he's gonna go and grind. I want someone who actually does something. Oh, we'll have to protect him, but he's so weak. I one-shotted him. Well, I have to eat him now to claim my dominance. I do not want to protect this guy. There's a lot of people over there I can protect. No, you can You can screw off. Okay, he just wants to attack me. Okay, seriously, like, when you attack me once, I get it, but, like, if you attack me a billion times, that's annoying. Ooh. Oh! Jesus! You've been a bad spider. You do not take 5 seconds to attack someone. Bad boy. Bad. What bully? Okay, so I have to make sure a spider... This guy... No. Hello, I'm gonna put on my mask for no reason. He just stares awkwardly into my soul. Nope. What does not mean? Nope. Oh. What the heck? I literally just jumped. Okay, well, I failed to protect him. You make my life really hard, Spider-Man. Alright, and then this. I wonder if I can just kill this guy. Oh no. Speed spammer. Oh, oh my god. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Dang, boy, he fast. Ugh. Oh no, he got up there. That's a glitch. Okay, I'll protect you now, so I have to follow you. Oh dang. Oh, okay. I have like the same speed as him, so like any dash he can complete, I can complete too. Senpai, I will protect you. I will protect you. K. Okay, this guy cannot respond to anything without saying a lot of K's, but okay. Let's follow him. Hello, what are you doing? Oh no, he's a pumpkin. Did he go back up there again? Spiders. Heck no, spider. You listen, you may be like a dozen times stronger than me, but I'm not letting you attack this boy. He's my friend now for no reason at all. Should I try and engage in a fight with the spider? This is probably gonna be the stupidest thing I've ever done. Fuck. Oh, holy god. Holy gosh. No. Oh my god, this is the worst spider ever. Whoa! 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 Oh god, that spider. Damn, boy! Oh, crikey. Oh, no, this guy is way stronger than the spider. Whoa! The spider's too slow. I got up. Oh my god, this is crazy. What am I doing? Oh! Oh my god. No, by the time he attacks me full health, you're so bad at this spider. Gosh dang. I'm getting off topic here. I'm just fighting a spider. I'm supposed to be protecting my guy. Oh! He only crushed me because I was stuck. I got stuck. Well, luckily I spawned right next to where I was. Thank you, game. Yep, this is my dead body. Oh, weaker twin. Okay, I will protect the CCG. I will protect an enemy. Let's see how that goes. Oh. Protecting your enemies is always good. We're like about the same speed. Oh no, it's a spider. No wait, why are they making friends? Weren't they just trying to kill each other like a second ago? Oh no, wait, that's different. Yeah, this guy. Oh my god! Oh, you just stomps his prey. Oh no, I don't think he likes me. Come on, little Spidey. Wee! Come on, little Spidey, you're so weak. XD. Oh. What was that? I dodged every attack and he just breaks physics and just... Okay. Okay, one last person that I'm gonna protect. This is just insane. Okay, nope. Okay, well, you try to attack that human, so I'll protect this human. Spider does not let me do anything. Okay, let's continue protecting this guy here. Actually, no, let's probably protect this guy because he seems more independent. Okay, no, I should slow down my walking speed. Oh, no, that's not ending good. That is not ending good. I don't know who to protect. I'll just protect both of you. See, I'm a good man. Put on my mask so he doesn't, so he suddenly doesn't know who I am. Weak. Does he have low defense? Or are we gonna find out next time? I'm actually not find out right now. Oh no! He's a legendary Chinese tweet. No. Stupidness! What is this stupidness? Oh crap! Wrong centipede! I'm dead. Oh, thank you for taking 2 hours to frickin' work, game. I gotta find that guy. Do I protect him or do I attack him? No, let's attack him. I'm going insane! Everyone's just killing me! I need to get my revenge. Ah! Where the heck is he? Where the heck is he? This guy's like about the same speed as me, so... Oh! Okay. I'll attack you just because you have that cognate. Oh my god, my game's lagging horribly. You're definitely not an SS rated. I'm an S rated and I can probably beat him up some good. Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Let's go. You won't. Ah! I'm burning slowly. My HP has dropped. This is not a long range. You're just killing. Oh shit. Oh no, I fell down here. How do I get back up? Almost dead. Wait, Hulk! What? Hulk! What the? No! Hulk! Why did Hulk show up? No, I need to see his fight. I freaking need to see his fight. Why did Hulk show up? Damn, Hulk. Damn. Oh, Jesus. He just left this corpse thing. Oh, that is some sweet, sweet revenge. Yep, well, that's pretty much it. I finally got this. And I protected some people, failed miserably. Yeah, I'm the worst protector ever. Do not hire me. So yeah, anyways, that's it for this episode, guys. So yeah, pretty much, guys. Hiss. Wait, what? What is this? Why am I headbutting? Oh my god. What is this spammage? Why didn't I fight with the giant man? Anyways, I'm gonna try it out right now, actually. Turns out I could actually kill him. Oh my god, my life is a lie. I actually could have killed him the entire time. I am just done.